guys, this is the Whispering here, and sorry, this is gonna be really short because I just wanted to ask a question. I really wanted to read a story. It's called Sir. I don't remember. It's something about a Green Knight or something, and it's a really long story, but I just wanted to know if you guys wanted me to read it. And the story is like Shakespeare, but it's like Shakespeare, but it's from someone else. And but it sounds like Shakespeare, like the words are from like back then and stuff. But so let me know in the comments what you want me to, if you want me to read just some of it or not at all or something. Just let me know. And yeah, so thank you again for all of your help and support, and all of you who watch my videos and subscribed. And also, before I forget, there's another whisperer who just joined, and his name is Whispering Doctor 11, and you can find him on my subscription, my subscribers, subscription box, something like that, my channel if you want to find him easily or something. And he also commented on my channel, so you can click on his name there if you want to find him and stuff. But yeah, so check him out and welcome him, and like you did with me, please, and just show him some love and whatever else. Yeah, so if you have any questions about whatever, just please let me know.